Good afternoon, Mr. Mittal. I'm Sudha Mehta. How are you?
I'm fine, Sudha. Please take a seat.
Thank you for taking out time to meet me. That's my card, sir.
Tell me, Sudha.
So you may be aware Ace Global Bank is growing in the retail space. It provides customer-oriented services. We suggest products based on customer requirements. So if you don't mind, may I ask you some questions, please?
Sure.
Please tell me something about your company.
We are a printing company and we started about 5 years back as an offshoot of my family business. This company specializes in printing advertising materials like banners, brochures, leaflets, just about everything in printing for advertising industry.
Oh, that's interesting. Are your clients from within the city or from other cities as well?
We have a combination of both.
Okay. What are the challenges that you face while dealing with your current bank?
We have been dealing with BPO Bank for over 7 years now, and we are quite used to their service. Sometimes there are delays in receiving funds from outstation clients. That's one challenge. And we have to keep track of payments. Like our accountant, Mr. Bishwas, is in the bank right now just to find out about payments not realized.
Sir, would you not prefer receiving funds on time from your outstation clients?
Sure, any day.
Sir, when you receive funds late, I'm sure it prevents you from making payments on time.
Obviously, we delay our payments due to that.
Sir, how do you find internet banking?
Frankly, I prefer face-to-face transactions. They are easier and the branch manager knows our accountant well. He handles transactions, check deposits, statements, etc.
Okay. What do you think are the other challenges related to banking that will continue to be concerns for your business?
I think banking is becoming expensive and risky now, with DD charges going up and then couriering the DDs, which is both expensive and risky. So these are some other concerns.
Sir, may I make some suggestions if you like?
Sure, that's what you're here for.
Sir, as I've understood, you need a system to realize your payments faster so that you're able to make your payments on time. You need to reduce your banking expenses and make your banking operations more efficient.
That's right.
So keeping all this in mind, I suggest you open a Current Advantage account. And I will also tell you how it's going to help you achieve all the mentioned points. It uses speed clearing system, which means funds will be available to you on your outstation checks in the same time as your local checks. So instead of 10 to 14 days, you will get funds in just 3 working days. So you can make payments across all the banks in India at a lesser cost than DDs by using electronic means of payment. So here you save a lot of money.
That's wonderful.
You can track your payments online when you use internet banking and mobile banking. You can access your account right here sitting in your office. Even your accountant need not go to the bank. You bank in the most efficient and risk-free manner in the most convenient way.
Sounds good.
What do you think about it, sir?
Internet banking is difficult to use, and I'm not sure my accountant can handle it, and I have no time for it.
So I'll give a demonstration to your accountant on how to use internet banking. Will that be all right with you, sir?
Yes, that'll be fine. And you must teach him how to use phone banking also.
Sure, no problem, sir. I'll be happy to do that. Is there any other concern on your mind?
No, I guess not.
Shall we then go ahead with the documentation for account opening?
Sure, why not? If what you're saying is true, let's then go ahead and open the account.
Okay, sir. This is the form, and to complete the documentation, we require 2 passport size photographs, your identity proof, and your PAN card.
Okay.